Hamba media friends, nirok tini payment bagai. Sung TSF nengge sini press conference asokna nengge. Ang nirok ni TSF ni General Secretary Hamalu an loge tong sini Vice President Pintu, sini Chief Organizing Secretary Bibas, te sini Assistant Finance Secretary Somor, ani yagaro tong sini Joint Secretary Reno, te sini Assist Central Leaders, Divisional Leaders, jotono tongo. Tini jeng press conference asokna nik omano nirok sigo. Sung TSF kedengma sabrogo sini movement temanote Roman script nate jeng kai pai to. 2020 ni sing kisa governor ni sing memorandum roga jeng. Nirok nukhana. Aman porga sung strida kokha board by malaika jeng memorandum to yaparing tong. Haibana temanuk zakha government ro assure khai kaje borok sungno ronai Roman script by biset khai jangnai te English ro biset khai jangnai sung amono goseng na ka haibana sung tak tumanukha thangnai 17 March kogrok paper CBS ni tongmani aro English script by set khai jase question paper kaise board exam se yak by suija question paper baksa hoy man amne rok tangai CBS ni sime khorang tisa CBS ni guardian student of sumai contact khai ka songbor ma thang visit khai TBS ni sama khorang sok khale hai bana sung boron wai sung khorang tisa ito amo sung public ma busne tabo sung kabang memorandum rokha kabang ma leaders kabang political party bai sung malai sung akai sung TSF omana sung decision khai ka sung tabo kewo malai liya borok sung mai phaima malai nai sini students from the future thungja goi tongo sung ma busi nai sung thangsa ka khorang mati sanai ang public no appeal khainai especially students sung sigi ma kha khna class 12 ni CBSE board exam ko group ba nga thangi tong sung niro ni support na guardians ro niro ni support na nirok support khaya ke chini movement success singla sung jotono no koi nai students guardian public political party NGOs social organization student organization tabok te kaisa omo kok speaker on ismi fight ya I will invite even non kok speakers omo nirok no fight nirok mabusi nai sung kok saya sung tangai tangai kongke any movement success singla thangnai goro sini traffic police harassment khaijaka boto kobrok sanaya haibana khaijaka ble harassment amo sung mabusine boni bagai TSF sung jabr pano sini jab phan tongsa sung khaini tong thangnai strike khabro bo sing leaders orjo ko tona jotoni case masaga kodo thangma tongo sung sini bai khaya guardian rok ma busi nai sung nirong ni busa nirong ni churai nirong ni jati gusin mai khai to and our future generation thanai class 10 exam ronai ro borok fail sing nai ni baksa saka posi pore maya baiga swinai ba borono roman script bai prangja kha government assure khai ka ba borobo waso kha yes roman script prungpano question paper roman script bai jang nai tabok sung appeal khai nai TSF ready tong TSF basta hinga ni ready tong nirok logade tong amos ta question public student logade tong boni bagai TSF khna 24 March 2025 sung indefinite strike da hogoi tong sini TSF nengai sung jota political party jota organization jota student organization joto borok nirong appeal khainai o movement no success khagen bagai sung nogo thugoi tongo isime TSF ro sime nai sagai o movement success ngla sung vision of ready khainai haifana nirong ni support karika movement bagai success nai my dear student you should understand nirong bai sung fight khai tongo sung case masai tongo nirong kirigai nogo tong to phang o movement success ngla guardian rok ma businai sung sika khana 21st March kobrok paper 12 inga thangi tong basa hongkai mana exam bahai ke ronai tarodi sung reschedule khai ronai sung pal ke tu prano hol musung ma khang ke tangge government kiriang nai ba sung TSF simi khol ke sene haya niro public ong ma pusna students niro dress kai no khadi sung loge tongo niro ma pusna sung niro ni bagai sung je khai ma sak sini phan tong sak sung khai ne tong public rock especially we should understand tumang gui dong sini movement tangi success nya 50 years ka tangai sung ma pusna bone bagai sung joto organization joto student you may be from different community different tribe khanani all movement of participate khagen by sung koinai they government of India government of Tripura they both nirok directly sung by contact ma khainai you may think we are very much like tabo sini logo students tongo guardian tongo public tongo government of Tripura so amon one khai nirok problem solve khai musu khangke sung by direct contact khai di sung ready ni tongo talk ni bagai hai bana our students should not be played again language te question paper subject te sini student te politics ta khai sakta sini student ni future manago ta thang thang ni chung nai ge bon bagai sung TSF sung sring tongmalia sini student ni dukh no goi chung maba sapika sung appeal khai nai I appeal all the communities, all the political organizations, NGOs, social organizations.